He's like, I want to do it too, though.
Good morning. Morning.
We're doing our hike this morning.
Very beautiful.
Very beautiful. Can't
So,
skip
like,
the workout. It's so fucking beautiful, guys. Look at Frank. Let's follow him. Come on, guys. Follow me. We're going back on our way back from the... We completed the trail. Now we're going back to the car. Baby. Say hi. Take the storm. I'm filming. You're silly. We're taking the storm today, guys. Right in the morning. Where did that phrase come from? Look at the birdie. Oh, it's leaving. Oh, you can still see it on the camera though. Pretty bird. All of these like beautiful, preserved, wild plants. I love it. They smell good too. By the way, this is the Terrania hike trail in Palos Verdes. Fucking beautiful. If you haven't done it, I guess do it. Even though I'm trying to keep it to ourselves. If you're local, you know. South Bay people know. Frank wasn't a so South Bay person, but guess he's turning into one. Look at him go. Strut that. Strut, strut, strut. With confidence. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Oh. YouTube, bitch. Okay, baby, you can stop. Mommy? Is that how I walk?
Yeah.
Oh my god. I don't even do anything. Like, I literally, that's how I walk. You know? The water glistening. That sun that just came out. The heat's coming too, so we gotta get going. I came at the perfect time. We got here around 7:50. And what time is it now? No, we got here like at 8:10 actually, I think. And it's 9. So we've been at it 50 minutes. We did some sightseeing too. So explains why we're taking a little longer to complete this, but we did a good amount of sightseeing at the tide pools. And then me, being the scaredy cat that I am, had to go down gracefully before I fell and ate shit, because I ate shit the other day when I was playing pickleball. All right. I don't think I got that. Do it again. Content, baby, content. Is that you being bad? Going off the trail? Huh? Let's quickly show this part again. The Live Forever initiative. Terrania's 14 acres of native plants. Fuck yeah.